Hello there, welcome to another video, and I'm just doing some cable management at the moment, and under my desk, and I'm going to try and fit some neons in just to make it look a little bit more presentable. So I'm just going to get you in position. As you can see, this is under my desk, and I've got a Sigma, let's get this in focus. I've got a Sigma cable tidy, but it looks horrendous, so I'm just going to try and clear some bits out, stick some neons in, and just make it look a little bit more presentable, really. So yeah, might have to time lapse this stuff, so let's get cracking. Right, so we're getting there, bit by bit. It's looking a little bit more presentable down here, and if I sort of just tilt the camera down just a little bit on the floor, obviously it's a case of sorting this mess out. A bit of marking on the wall, which is where a drink was dropped, so I'm just going to get a cloth, I'll wipe my wall down and get it looking a bit more presentable. Down here I've got my professional production camera in here, which I'm going to do a review on. This is my Red Dragon camera, but yeah, I'm just going to get a cloth and we can continue. So we've got the neons on, I don't know if you can see that, they're very clear. Sort of focus, remote control, sort of change the colours how we want, which is nice. So let's get it all looking sexy. The idea is to push them up the back of the desk and keep them secure. Get all the cable management right now. Tilt the camera up a bit. Just a bit. You can sort of see the neons now. Get your focus. And they all change colour, but you're going to sit at the top of the desk. It's quite bright at the moment, so it'll look alright when it's done. So it's about just getting tidy now, I suppose. I've got another really old vintage line set up here that can now come out permanently, because we are in the 21st century and we don't need this crap no more. So I suppose this is a plug that we set free, one extra plug. Controller, right, I'm going to bring you up a bit so we can see the mess from the desk. Right, so all we got to do now is sort out the back, and we should be not too bad really. It's not great, but it's better than what it was before. So if I can stand up, that'd be great. Now these, you push the desk and it squeezes the what do you call it, see, the grips of the lights together, which is quite cool. I'm just going to clear up all my desk, and basically let's go to fade, and this will basically change colours. Strobe. It'll look nice in the night time. Should light up the whole back of the computer. Smooth. Pretty cool. Let's go fade. Right, I'm just going to pause you there and get back to you when it's done. As you can see there, it doesn't look too bad. Neons change, flash, and light up the back wall, which is pretty cool. I managed to try and sort out the bottom of the cabling, which is cool. I'll just bring it down like that. That looks a lot better. There's no cables on the floor, which is great. Just so it looks pretty tidy. There's a couple of stray wires, but I ain't too bothered about that. This is not exactly a pimp my setup sort of video, but yeah, sort of happy with the actual tidiness of it. So it does look pretty tidy. As you can see there, it doesn't look too bad. Look pretty nice. So what I did was I just ran the neons. Let me just change angle again, guys. I just literally the only wires I've got is for my tablet, my graphics tablet, and obviously my mouse here. My cable's wireless, which is not a problem, but obviously I prefer a wired mouse and a wired tablet to be more precise in work. So they're the only two wires I've literally got coming out of there. Plus I've got my Canon 70D Mark II charging dock. And the clever thing about this also acts as a charging dock for my DJI Phantom battery. So basically all I literally do is swap the power from here, plug it into here, and I have to charge my Phantom batteries any way I want. So basically I hope you've enjoyed this quick rough cable management video. A like rate would be appreciated, and I'll definitely catch you guys in the next video. Ciao ciao.